Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Ocho Rios, a major town on the north coast of Jamaica. One of the most popular towns, one of the most popular tourist areas, not only in Jamaica, but the Caribbean. Now today we're going to talk about the third city in Jamaica. It was announced before the hurricane hit Jamaica, Hurricane Melissa, that Jamaica is going to build a third city. And that city was going to be somewhere in St. Elizabeth. Now, after the hurricane hit and destroyed Black River, a lot of discussion has been that Black River is going to now be the site of the third city because basically the town is destroyed and they have to rebuild it, so they might as well rebuild it as a city. But when you think about it, the third city in Jamaica should be Savlamar in Westmoreland or Ocho Rios in St. Anne. Savlamar is the largest town in western Jamaica, far more important to Jamaica than Black River. And Ocho Rios is a major tourist town. I mean, driving through Ocho Rios, it looks like a city already. Major infrastructure, modern infrastructure, and there's an international airport, although it's officially located in Boscobel, St. Mary. The airport is actually listed as Ocho Rios. That's how much more impact the airport will have as being listed as Ocho Rios. So basically, Ocho Rios has an airport. And Savlamar is just on the outskirts of Little London, where they are building the fourth international airport in Jamaica. There is no airport in St. Elizabeth or anywhere on that side of the island. So, guys, let us know what you think about about Savlamar or Ocho Rios becoming a city before Black River or any other town in St. Elizabeth. So we're going to go through and give you more information on this. The debate over which town should become Jamaica's third city is an important national discussion. A city status is not merely symbolic but reflects economic strength, population growth, infrastructure, and national importance. While Black River holds deep historical significance as one of the oldest towns in the Caribbean, stronger arguments can be made that Savlamar or Ocho Rios are better positioned to become Jamaica's third city first. Savlamar, the capital of Westmoreland, plays a crucial role in the social and economic life of Western Jamaica. It serves as a major administrative, commercial, and transportation hub for surrounding communities such as Negril, Frome, Darlaston, and parts of Hannibal and St. Elizabeth. The town hosts key government offices, courts, hospitals, and educational institutions that serve a wide regional population. In addition, Savlamar has experienced steady urban expansion, increased housing developments, and growing commercial activity. Its central role in western Jamaica gives it a wider functional influence than Black River, whose economic footprint is more limited. Ocho Rios presents an even stronger case due to its national and international economic significance. As one of Jamaica's leading tourism centers, Ocho Rios generates substantial foreign exchange and employment through hotels, cruise shipping, attractions, and supporting services. The town has evolved far beyond a small resort area and now functions as a full urban center with modern shopping plazas, hospitals, banks, highways, and residential communities, extending into St. Anne, St. Mary, and parts of St. Catherine. Ocho Rios is also a major transportation node, linking the North Coast Highway to Kingston and Montego Bay, further strengthening its case for city status. In contrast, Black River claims rest largely on historical prestige rather than present-day urban realities. While it was Jamaica's first town with electricity and once a thriving port, its current population size, level of commercial activity, and rate of urban growth remain relatively modest. The town has not experienced the scale of economic expansion, infrastructure development, or regional influence seen in Savlamar or Ocho Rios. City status should reflect current and future national needs, not only past achievements. In conclusion, while Black River deserves recognition for its historical importance, Savannah Lamar and Ocho Rios better meet the modern criteria for city status. Their economic output, population influence, infrastructure, and regional importance make them more suitable choices to become Jamaica's third city before Black River. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.